All right, I'm gonna make a quick little video about the Y-bridge pipe. If you're not doing the whole Y-bridge, your option is to buy this Chinese piece of pipe to put on there to bolt into your factory Y-bridge. And here's the problem I found. One, it's made like crap. It's not timed right, it's not fitted right. Two, they put this flare on there. How do you clamp a clamp down on something that's tapered? Let me grab a couple of the clamps I had. It's actually stupid that you're gonna try and take something that you can't clamp flat onto. Like there's a gap because it's on a taper. Yeah, some people try and clamp right on this ridge, and that to me just seems sketchy. So here's what I'm doing. I went on Amazon and bought a piece of 3-inch pipe. I cut the pipe in half so I could time it with some hose. And then from here, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I will have a taper. So I'm gonna go TIG weld this to this. And then I'm gonna TIG weld that to that so I can get a straight piece to put my hose onto so it'll fit up like it should. Very crappy design, but hopefully this will fix it and I'll be able to put this back in and Y-bridge will be okay. O-ring gasket's still good. So I'll keep you updated. I'll show you the next bit. All right, here's what we ended up coming up with. Cut the 3 inches out, move the flare down, and then weld it on a straight section so we can get it to clamp right. Tweak the bracket, cut the bracket. Let's go get her in. All right, so here's how it turned out. So there's all the new welded section to the boot, which fits nice and tight. It's no more just fitting on the flange, which really sucked. I will say it was a lot of work to do all that just to get rid of the EGR, but I'm glad the EGR is gone. Yeah, it's definitely more of a passion of love. Otherwise, you'd be doing the Y-bridge, and I didn't really feel like doing the Y-bridge, so I was willing to do the work that it took to do this. And yeah, so there she is. Like I said, I had to put this slip joint in up here to time it right since it's just so crappy, but that thing is rock solid. I got it bolted down there, and then I built another bracket here and just hose clamped it to the other flange. So that pipe's nice and tight. Yeah, as always, thanks for watching.